Are you looking for the best excellent vacuum cleaners for laminate floors? In this video we will look at some of the best excellent vacuum cleaners for laminate floors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Shark Rocket TruePet Ultra Light Vacuum. If you are looking for a lightweight, yet powerful vacuum that is easy to carry up and downstairs, then this just might be the right one for you. It is relatively lightweight and can be used in two different ways. You can use it as an upright vacuum when you are cleaning a whole floor, or you can break it down into a handheld model, which is perfect for steps or hard to reach areas. Another nice feature of this vacuum is that it is straightforward to use. There are only two modes to choose from, as you can either use it with the brush turned on or without it. This makes it a breeze to switch between carpeted areas or bare floors. The dustbin is somewhat limited in its capacity, but luckily it is very easy to empty and return. At under £10. This ultra-lightweight upright vacuum easily converts into a hand vacuum for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. It's equipped with advanced swivel steering, LED headlights to reveal debris, and has an XL capacity dust cup. It comes with the Duster Crevice tool, which gives you extended reach into small spaces and the ability to clean a multitude of surfaces, and the Pet Multi-tool, for capturing embedded pet hair on all surfaces. Number 2, Bissell CrossWave 1785A. This is a really cool vacuum because it can be used as a mop or as a vacuum. This makes it quite versatile. If you want to clean up a satin stain on a laminate floor, you can switch on the mop and go to town. It even has two tanks that help to keep the clean and dirty water separate from each other. Then, when you are ready to go after the dirt on your carpets, you just need to flip a switch, and it will operate like any other vacuum. While the capacity is a bit small, the innovative and lightweight design this vacuum makes it a tough one to miss. Get your hard floors cleaner than you could have ever imagined. Bissell CrossWave Multi-Surface Cleaner is a revolutionary, all-in-one, multi-surface floor cleaner that vacuums and washes floors at the same time. CrossWave Wet Dry Vac is safe for tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, area rugs, and more. Two-tank technology keeps the cleaning solution separate from the dirty water to ensure a fresh mix of formula and water is always being used to clean your floors. The combination of the dual-action brush roll, that rotates at 3000 RPM, and innovative multi-surface cleaning solution enables CrossWave multi-surface floor cleaner to clean better than a sponge mop and bucket, and in less time. With the touch of a button, you can seamlessly switch from cleaning hard floors to vacuuming and washing your area rugs. After cleaning, the rinse and clean out storage tray provides a great place to clean your CrossWave machine. Place your brush rolls to dry and store your machine. Your CrossWave multi-surface cleaner will always be ready when you are. Did you know every purchase of a Bissell product saves pets? Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation registered and its mission to help save homeless pets. So, when you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets, too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors and pet homelessness disappear. Number 3, Bissell PowerFresh 1940 Steam Mop. While lots of the vacuums on this list do not need to be exclusively used on hard surfaces, such as laminate floors, this one does. This is both a positive and a negative. Negative because you can only use it to clean your hard surfaces, and not on your carpets. It's a big positive, however, because it will do a wonderful job of cleaning up your laminate surfaces. Clean and sanitize sealed hard floors without the use of harsh chemicals, eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. Power through tough, sticky messes with the flip-down easy scrubber. Choose from high, medium, or low steam based on your cleaning needs with the Smart Set digital steam control. Features swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord. Ready to use in 30 seconds. Easy scrubber flips down and reaches down to the grout and crevices. Number 4. Kenmore Elite 21814. This is, by far, the most powerful vacuum on this list. It is also one of the heaviest, making it ideal for cleaning only if you are going to be using it on one floor and not the steps. This vacuum is very straightforward to use, since you don't have to switch any attachments when you are switching surfaces. This vacuum utilizes a HEPA filter to filter out the dirt and a HEPA cloth bag to hold all of the debris in. By utilizing these two items together, you are guaranteed that all of your dirt will stay in place once you have sucked it up. The bag is also reusable, which will be big savings in the long run. The Kenmore Elite crossover bagged HEPA canister vacuum provides versatile cleaning convenience. Dirt, pesky pet hair, allergen-inducing dust and dander are no match for this multi-purpose all-floors design, which cleans all surfaces from hardwood, laminate to pile carpet with ease. The motorized pet PowerMate attachment lifts dander, stubborn hair and more from carpeting, baseboards, and furniture without issue, and the robust design eliminates pet hair from tangling around the brush. Kenmore Elite bagged vacuums with the enhanced HEPA certified filtration system capture 97% of debris, trapping dander, dust particles, odors, pollen and bacteria inside the vacuum, reducing the number of allergy-induced pollutants in the room. Your Kenmore Elite vacuum is designed to tackle tasks with incredible power and ease. The two-motor system excels in suction strength with a motor that gives you 20% more air power than a conventional upright vacuum motor. Integrated bare floor brush on the exclusive crossover handle makes it easy to switch floor surfaces from carpet to linoleum or hardwood. Pick up pet hair and suck up dust without having to bend down to adjust the brush height. LED light sensors not only let you detect dirt being picked up, but will illuminate when the bag has reached capacity. 4 accessories included are a crevice nozzle to clean hard-to-reach places, an upholstery brush for furniture, curtains, stairs, van and car seats, a dusting brush for corners, baseboards and cabinets, and a fan tool for those edges that collect dirt and dust. All attachments are stored on board the unit for easy access and storage. Swivel steering easily maneuvers around and under furniture. This lightweight handy small appliance includes a handle for flexible cleaning and easy transport, while smooth rolling wheels maneuver easily around corners. Make housework less of a hassle by investing in this well-made, reliable bagged canister vacuum from Kenmore. Number 5. Shark Navigator NV352. The Shark Navigator NV352 comes with several unique features that make it our top pick. It features, among other things, the lift-away technology that allows you to lift the body of the vacuum from the floor base and use it as a canister vacuum to clean tight spaces and upholstery. If you want an affordable vacuum that works a treat on hard floors and carpets, then you will love the Shark Navigator NV352. By using the lift-away feature, you can get more value for your money. It allows you to clean areas like your stairs or upholstery. If you have ever tried vacuuming with a full-sized upright vacuum, you'll observe how hard it can be to clean out such spaces. It comes with all the attachments you need for cleaning, including 2 crevice tools, 5 and 24, brush tool, and pet hair power brush. It also sports a pair of filters. The foam filter and HEPA filter ensure that you get maximum cleaning action. Additionally, the foam filter is washable. Therefore, you can use it repeatedly. During testing, we loved using the Shark Navigator NV352. It gives good bare floor, carpet, and upholstery performance. Although an excellent appliance, we observed that it isn't very durable. Plastic parts break rather quickly. It is also relatively quiet during operation and does not suffer from the heavy vibration of some other models,